Woohoo! Woohoo! My kid's gonna love this. And I am covered in salt dust. This is Scott with TeamFive12 and I'm back with another video. Happy New Year to everybody. Today is January 1st, 2020, and I'm looking forward to a great year, and I hope you are too. Today I'm heading out to everybody's favorite tool store. That's right, Harbor Freight. We need to get a few things for the TeamFive12 Garage here, and I'm taking you with me. But before we do that, well, we've got to plug the C5 in. I don't drive it as much as I used to, and I get some crap from some of you guys that are C5 fans and came to my channel because of the C5. I get it. I need to do some more content with this thing. Comment below and let me know what you would like to see me do with the C5. I have a couple ideas planned, but the C7 has occupied a lot of my time, so I think it's time to give the C5 some love. All right, you guys know I got to dedicate a cold start to someone in all of my videos, and this cold start goes out to my boy Amir in Colorado, Street Production 303. He's got an insane C7. I won't tell you about it, you just got to go to his channel and check it out. Amir is the one who created the animation for the beginning of my videos and has helped me a lot along the way. So, Street Production 303, this cold start's for you. So I'm sitting inside of the C7, letting some heat get into the engine, and I just published a video this morning on changing out the brake pads on this C7, and I am just reading through some of your comments, and they are awesome. Thank you guys so much for commenting on my videos. It really is one of the best parts of being part of the YouTube community. So depending on when this video goes live, you might have seen these already. Yeah. Red seatbelts in the C7 now. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm taking the black and red thing a little too far. I don't think I've taken it far enough. Rev match on, as always, and we are on our way. Oh, that AWE just sounds so good. You know, when Horsepower Obsessed was here driving my car, and he heard this exhaust for the first time, his first comment was, you know, this sound of this exhaust just doesn't come across on your videos all that well. So if you ever have a chance to hear one of these in person, I think you'll know why I get so excited. Especially with those downshifts and the rev match. So I also want to give a big shout out to my boy Yellow Vet 04. He just passed 2,500 subscribers, which is awesome, man. So congrats to you, Dave. If you haven't already subscribed to his channel and you have a C5 and you want to see some awesome C5 content, make sure you head on over to Yellow Vet 04's channel. And in the next month or so, Dave and I have some pretty cool mods planned for his C5. So in life, there are 3 things you don't waste: a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, I forget what the second thing is, and an on-ramp. The Z06 and the ZR1 usually get a lot of the accolades in terms of just the sheer raw power output, but these LT1s, these naturally aspirated LT1s in these Grand Sports and the Stingrays, still very, very powerful and fun engines. All right, so I took the camera off of the mount and am just hand holding it here. So I apologize if the stability isn't as good and the audio is not as good either, because I unhooked the external mic so that I'm not carrying some big rig into Harbor Freight with me. I'm trying to see how stealthy I can be inside of the Harbor Freight. never have enough buckets in your life. All right, we need to find the hammers. Guys, look at this gantry crane. I think we need one of those in the TeamFive12 Garage. What do you think? My kid's gonna love this. All right, you guys. I think I need to pull the trigger on this one. This was the big one I came in here for. I'm tired of that hose in my garage laying all over the floor, so I think we're gonna get one. Wasn't there some line about not wasting an on-ramp or something? Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, so we just got back from Harbor Freight, and let's check out what we got. Hose reel, socket tray organizer, a blue foam finishing pad, an extension hose for our new air hose reel, some gloves, a ball peen hammer, a soft face mallet, some new work gloves, and a slingshot. Oh yeah, and a bucket. Welcome home, hammers. Welcome home. I really need to clean that up. All right, well, not the best quality, but what do you want for 15 bucks? All right, so this is my 1/2-inch drive and 1/4-inch drive drawer, and it is a mess. So we'll have to clean that up. And this is my 3/8 drive, and you can see it's a little bit of a mess too. We're gonna use these organizers, and we're gonna get organized. So our next step is to figure out where we want to mount this hose reel. And I'm thinking right above the compressor here. That way we can run the line from the compressor up the wall to the hose reel. So I don't have it hung yet with the bolts. I haven't ran out and gotten them yet. But what I did was use a couple C-clamps here to hold it onto the shelf to see first if the weight of this was not too much to overcome the angle iron that's holding the shelf up, and it seems real sturdy. And also to see if this location actually works. And you know what, guys? I think this is a great location for this air hose. All right, so I went ahead and made a template of the mounting base. I like the position of where the reel is, so I'm gonna take it down now and drill some holes. I just got back from the hardware store and picked up some hardware and a couple new sockets too. And I am covered in salt dust, and so is the camera. So I went ahead and installed this piece of hose here onto the side of the hose reel, so when we get it up there, we don't have to get behind there and install it. And I just used a piece of Teflon tape and screwed the fitting right in to the hose reel. All right, you guys, we got the reel hung and it is incredibly stable. We're gonna go ahead and pull in this length of hose. All right, so now we're gonna put a quick disconnect on the end of this hose. I've already done the same on the end of this feed line. This will hook right into the compressor, and then we'll test everything and make sure there's no leaks. All right, guys, time to get this garage cleaned back up and get the C7 back inside. So I want to thank you guys for going on a little adventure with me, a little shopping trip to Harbor Freight. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave me some comments. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.